Chandler's first day on a two-wheeler. You're doing it! You're doing it! You're doing it! You're doing it! You're doing it, Chandler! Oh. Chandler, you did it! I got it on video for Poppy! Do it again! Okay, get off your bike, Soph. Good save! Chandler, you're getting good, boo! Let's go to a... I can't believe it, Chandler. Paddle, boo, paddle, paddle, paddle. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Paddle, baby, paddle. You got it, boo.
Paddle hard, paddle hard. Ah! Oh. What are you doing? You were like, oh.
Okay, honey, this is how loud you snore. Can you believe I have to sleep with this?
Chandler. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if Kathy can celebrate Chandler's birthday by changing into a butterfly. Alright, she did. So let's give Chandler and Kathy a big, big clap for making it happen. How about that? Excellent, Chandler. That was really wonderful. Thanks so much for helping, because this is exactly what happened. I put one chocolate candy kiss in this pocket for Russell, and I put the other chocolate candy kiss in this pocket for me. And about 5 minutes later, the doorbell rang. You know who it was? No, it was a cable guy. But right after he left, Russell came to the door. I said, Russell, I'm so glad you're here because you're my friend and I like to share with my friends. Do you like to share? But I don't know what happened. I'm sorry? Parker? Parker, may I shake your hand? Very good. All right, now we said I could shake his hand. I'm just teasing. Parker, how old are you?
Only named that.
5 years old. Do you have a piggy bank? No, but we're going to do something with this piggy bank because it's a magic. That's enough, Parker. In just a moment. Parker, thank you. Parker? Parker? Parker likes to shake hands. Hi there, what's your name, Rebecca? Hi, may I shake your hand? And how old are you? 6. And do you have 67? Wow, that's pretty old. And I know, I'm just teasing. 7. And do you have a piggy bank? Well, we're going to do something with our piggy. Oh, thank you, Rebecca. We're going to do something with our piggy bank because we have. Thank you. That's very sweet. We're going to see what we can do. I think Rebecca likes shaking hands as much as you do. Because... All right, Rebecca, that's enough. You don't need to keep shaking my hand. Hey. Sophie. I'm just teasing. Well, you know what? I've got something special back. Parker, how did you do that? Are you magical? Let me see that, Rebecca. Look at that. It comes back to me and it straightens right out. You must be magical. Try it again. Okay. Well, Rebecca, let me see that. You know what? I think you're both magical. I have to hold it in my hand and nothing happens. We'll try it one more time. This time very gently. Very gently. Okay. And very gently. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I have another. Ooh, here we go. This is short. That one, but this is good magic. Chandler, I'm going to have you stand right there. You can stand right next. You can stand right here. And I need to learn everyone's names. Don't lean on this, okay? Hi there, what's your name? Hannah, hi, and your name? T-Man. Tyler the T-Man. Your name? Sophie and Chandler. Well, you know what? I can remember their names even with my eyes closed. Hannah, T-Man, Sophie, and Chandler. Watch. Here we go. Got it. Hannah, T-Man, Sophie, and Chandler, right? No! All right, I'll try it again. I'll close my eyes. Oh, I got it now. Here we go. Hannah, T-Man, Sophie, and Chandler, right? Oh, maybe I better try it with my eyes open. Let's see here. Hannah, T-Man, Sophie, and Chandler?
Yeah!
Well, that's what I thought I said. Well, you know what? I've got something special for each one of these children to hold. Some pretty colored scarves. Right here for Hannah, I have a bright red scarf. Now, Hannah, I'm just going to drape this scarf over your shoulders. Just don't let it drop to the floor, okay? There you go. All right. Okay. Drop it to the floor, okay? Thank you. All right. I'm just teasing. Hannah, you can hold this scarf in your hand. By the way, this scarf has a name. Anybody know what the name of this scarf is? Good guess, but actually it's Hannah. Isn't that coincidental? There you go, Hannah. And here for T-Man, I have a pretty blue scarf here. Sophie. There you go, Sophie. And finally, for the birthday boy Chandler, I have a pretty green scarf. Anybody know the name of this scarf yet? Nope, Bob. Just teasing, just teasing. It's really Chandler. There you go. Now you'll notice I'm using a green scarf. You see, I started to use a purple scarf, and then I thought about using Chandler tricked me. Well, you know what? All of these children said they like playing nicely together with each other, and we're going to prove it right now, because right back here I have my magic playhouse on a stick. You have to use your imagination. All right, now all of the children are going to go inside the playhouse. You know what they're going to do when they get inside the playhouse? Play. Hannah, put Hannah in the playhouse. Playhouse. And Sophie in the playhouse. And Chandler. Now Chandler, push him all the way down to the very, very bottom of the playhouse. Chandler. You know what? The playhouse was unzipped. Who ever heard of having a playhouse that's unzipped? Let's everybody get their scarves back, please. There we go. There you go. Excellent. You can stand back over there, Chandler. All right, let's try it again. Okay, Hannah inside the playhouse. And T-Man. And Sophie. And Chandler. Chandler, stand back over there so all these children can see, okay? Push them all the way down in there. Excellent. Now, if you listen very, very carefully, you can even hear them playing inside the playhouse. You have to listen carefully. Listen. Wee, we're having fun. Wee. You hear them? You think that was me?
Oh, no. You see, my voice sounds like this, and the children's voices sound like this.
Wee, we're having fun. Well, you know how we're going to know they're playing nicely together? Because when they come out of the playhouse, they'll all be holding hands, just like friends do. Would you like to see?
Yes.
Say yes. Let's try a magic word we haven't used yet. How about alakazam? 1, 2, 3. All right, Chandler, do you remember which color scarf you have? Green. Reach in there, find the green one, pull it out, and show that all the friends are holding hands. Because that... Hey. Do? Excellent. And when I count to 3, I want everybody to say the magic words, let's be friends. 1, 2, 3. All right, Chandler, you remember which color handkerchief, scarf you have? The green one, pull it out. All right, they are holding hands. Isn't it great to have friends? So let's give Chandler, the birthday boy, and his friends and family, T-Man, Sophie, and Hannah, a big, big, big clap. Well, take off those roller skates. You know, Russell says he's too embarrassed to come out because nobody's clapping for him. There it is. Now, Russell loves to do magic tricks and play games for birthday parties. I'm not sure what he... Russell, that's enough bowing, Russell. Thank you. Now, sometimes he likes to play... All right, Russell, you leave that carrot right there in your hat. You can have it for a snack after your nap, but right now you leave it in your hat. Thank you.
He's gonna trick
Now, he knows he has to leave the carrot there. No, there's the carrot right there. See, No, he didn't take the carrot out. The carrot is in. Where's the carrot? Russell, where's the carrot? Russell doesn't know where it is. Russell, I'm going to put this carrot in. Does anybody know the words to Happy Birthday? Do you know the tune? All right, I'm going to play Happy Birthday on the kazoo, and I want everybody to sing Happy Birthday to Chandler. Right, Russell? Here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chandler. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Chandler, Russell says he'd like to give you a kiss. You don't want a chocolate candy kid?
I do.
Okay, let's give Chandler a big, big clap as he goes back to sit down. Thank you, Chandler. Happy birthday.
Here they come, David!
Just take them off for the last
I'm just thinking I'm to bathe them tonight.
You know what I'm thinking about? Did you guys ever see Brady Bunch growing up? Penny! It's a bubble snore.
Where is he?
This is what he did it.
Yeah.